There comes a time in every man's life when he picks up a mallet, a really nice mallet, and says, it's just not big enough. So then he has to build something truly special. Introducing the life-changing mallet. Oh, come along on a journey as you watch and listen how I built this and why I built it and why I put a molded pistol grip into it. I mean, why not? Anyway, let's Alright, so this is what we're going for, this here. And I've got 3 bits of spotted gum here, which were an old CNC routed sign. This should all be enough to get everything out of. So I'll start milling. Resin fill on the handle is complete. So all those checks have been filled with resin and stabilized. So I can now mark this.
Love, your non-riches are ready.
Thanks, love. Okay. That's ready to glue together now. Oh, seriously? Okay. So I'm just going to pull them together, keep the bottom against the table, pinch it in, and because it's a super dense hardwood, I've got to put some pressure on it. And that has given me 4 handy dandy little indents. There you go. That's going to make glue up much easier. You serious? I've cut my handle. See, I've got 2 relief holes. There's a very good reason for that. I measured wrong. And furthermore, on the back end, I've got a really severely munted, that's the technical term, munted, M-U-N-T-E-D, -8 the E. The hole, whatever, guys, it's inside the handle. Anyway, a few different ways to make the wedge that splits the tenon. Like the hand that rocks the cradle, the wedge that splits a tenon. Like a tiger, like a tiger, like a tiger. And there's our wedge. let's test it out. That's cool. That's wedging in nicely now. And see how it's followed the shape of that taper really well. Rightio peeps, the head is gluing up in clamps, but next I'm going to start making these little accents here. I've done that by milling a couple of pieces down to 15mm thick and mitering both sides of them. And then I make a little open-ended mitered box, and this one is currently being glued up. Okay, so here's the handle, and this just fits very neatly and tightly over the handle like that. Alright, the basic components are all glued up, the head's all glued up, and my two little embellishments are glued up. Now I want to get a nice, smooth, square, flat finish on these ends, like I've got on that one there, because that's going to seat up against that, and it needs to be a clean connection. So I will do this on my miter saw by slipping them over the end and actually using the handle itself as a hold down and a jig. That's what we're after. Just a little taste. Oh, it's chalky. That's just one big slab of awesome. How cool is that? This may just be my finest. Shut up, stupid car, idiot, I'll kill ya. This may just be my finest hour yet. Thanks for watching. I love you. I love you so much. Awkward. Yeah, if you'd like one of these, get stuffed. Make it yourself. I'm not making you one. Are you serious? It's ridiculous. Yeah, please like and subscribe.